Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI image generation with ComfyUI, a powerful, node-based interface. If you're new to ComfyUI or want to create stunning AI art, this step-by-step guide will show you how to install ComfyUI and set up models on your computer. Whether you're new to AI art or looking to streamline your setup, I've got you covered. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start generating your own AI masterpieces. Before we start, you'll need to download 7-zip to extract the ComfyUI portable package. Open any web browser and search for 7-zip on Google, click the download from 7zip.org and download it for Windows. I already have it installed on my PC, so let's start by downloading the ComfyUI portable package. Search for ComfyUI on Google, or click the link in the description. Open the GitHub page. There are two ways to do this: desktop installer or downloading a portable package. I recommend the portable package because you can choose directory and it makes it easy to add custom nodes and models. Click Direct Download link for the Windows portable version. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, open the folder where the file is located. Right-click on the file, select Show More option, 7-zip, then Extract Files. Choose a drive with at least 15 GB free, since models can be large. With the files extracted, let's launch ComfyUI. Open the extracted folder. There is a Run CPU and GPU file. If you don't have a graphics card, select CPU. You can still run it, but it will be a lot slower. I am going to run GPU file and a terminal window will open. When you run it for first time, it will take few minutes for ComfyUI to start. Once it's loaded, the ComfyUI will open in your default web browser. You will see this template screen. These are all the pre-made workflows and they are easy to use. Click Image Generation, it will open a basic text-to-image workflow. As you can see, we are missing models to generate the images. Let's download one. Google Civit AI or open the link from the description. Click Models. From here you can download all kinds of models, text-to-image, video, and more. Check it out for yourself later. Let's download Juggernaut model first. Type Juggernaut in search bar, and choose this model, or you can open direct link from the description. Here you can see a lot of images generated by others. Check how beautiful they are. I will show you how you can get workflow from these images later. This is Juggernaut Stable Diffusion 1.5 model. Now let's click the download button. Save it in ComfyUI. Models. And then checkpoints. Click Save. It will take some time to download the model depending on your internet speed. Now, let's get back to the ComfyUI tab. Click the refresh button to load the model. This error message occurs because we downloaded a different model. We have to select the model from this load checkpoint node. Click here and you will see the model name of our Juggernaut model. This acts as a brain for our workflow. Let's run it on default settings and see if it works. It will load our model and will take time when we run it for the first time. You can check what's going on in the terminal window here. It's now processing our image in KSampler node. We did not change any settings, it's running on default prompt. I will explain them in a bit. It successfully generated an image from the given prompt. Let's enlarge it to see it better. Let's change the title of this clip text node to positive prompt because it's easier to identify it and everyone will understand what it does. And change this to negative prompt. I will change the negative prompt color to red and positive prompt color to green. The lines connecting nodes are called links. These links can also be referred to as connections or wires. The clip model is crucial for understanding text prompts and translating them into a format the model can understand. We connect clip with two text nodes, then first link goes to positive and second goes to negative in KSampler. Here we link empty latent image. It essentially creates a blank latent representation which serves as a starting point for the image. We also link VAE to load checkpoint. It is used for encoding and decoding images. We do not have to encode anything here. We are creating an empty image data with width and height in a format it already understands. We are only decoding in VAE. Decode node means it uses VAE model to reconstruct the image into its pixel format. Now let's go to KSampler. You can add any numbers here. The same seed will produce the same image given the same inputs, and it's linked to second option. If you want to generate the same image, change this to fixed. We will leave it at randomize for now. For the steps, it controls the number of iterations the sampling process takes to refine the image. Steps depends on the model we are using, so let's go back to our Juggernaut model page and use the recommended settings. They recommend 35 steps and 512 by 768 image size. The more the steps, the longer it will take. CFG determines how strongly the AI follows the text prompt when generating an image. They recommend 7 to 8 for CFG value on the page. Sampler is used for denoising the image. You can try different type of samplers and check what you like. I will use DPMPP_2M for now. In Scheduler, I will use the recommended option, Caras. It is used to guide the denoising process during image generation. You can play around with the options and see what you like. For denoise you can choose the value between 0 to 1. We are using text-to-image and not image-to-image, so our starting point is noise empty latent image, and using 1 means it is completely removing the noise and creating a new image. I will show you how to do image-to-image later. Let's run it and see the results. I will use basic prompt after this. Let's try a cat. It will take less time now. This generated image looks realistic. Now, let's install an extension designed to enhance the usability. Search ComfyUI Manager on Google or click the link in the description. Scroll down to the installation section and click Install Git link. Download it from here. Once it downloaded, open and install it with default options and settings. Once it's finished, go back to the manager's GitHub page. As you can see, there are a lot of methods to install the manager. In second method, you can right-click and click on Save Link As, and save it in ComfyUI folder, then run it to install the manager. I am going to use the first method to install it. Select this line and then right-click and copy it. Now go to your ComfyUI folder. Again ComfyUI folder, and look for custom_nodes and open it. Select the address bar and type CMD, and press Enter. A command window will open. Right-click to paste the text you copy from GitHub page, press Enter. It's cloning the manager files in this directory. There will be a new folder in custom nodes called ComfyUI Manager. New nodes will be installed here. Now let's go back and run ComfyUI. It will again take some time to run. It's processing the new manager node. I am using hard drive instead of SSD, so it takes more time for me. You will see a manager button on top right corner of the UI. Click on it. Click Update All. It will update everything for you. Unfortunately, it failed to update my ComfyUI as you can see here. I will use a different method to update it. Close this and the terminal window. Open the ComfyUI folder, and then go to Update folder. Double-click on Update ComfyUI and Python dependencies. It will take few minutes, depending on your speed. It will show a message to press any key to continue. Press it on your keyboard. Please like the video while it's updating. And once it's finished, press any key to exit the terminal window. Let's run ComfyUI again. Click the Manager button. From here, we can directly install the nodes we need. Let's install our first node. Click Custom Node Manager. It fosters a community of developers who contribute, and share their custom-built nodes, expanding the overall functionality and capabilities. Type Easy in the search bar and install this node, ComfyUI Easy Use by Yolian. Click Restart once it's successfully installed. Let's open another tab, and I will show you how to use the node we installed. Double-click on the page and search for positive prompt. Again, search for negative prompt. Search for another node called Style Selector. All these are from Easy Use that we installed. There are more, but I will stick to these in this tutorial. Connect positive wire to positive and negative wire to negative. We will type our prompts here and use any style to enhance our images. There are already ready-to-use styles here. Drag the wire from positive link of the style selector and let go. Let's see what it generates before applying it to our workflow. Search for Show Any Node here. Let's run it and see what it does. In Show Any Node we will see our final prompt as a text. We did not select any styles, so it's same as our positive prompt. I will select a random style and see what it generates. It combines our positive prompt and the style we selected. This is our final result. We will try it one more time with different style. Styles have both negative and positive text. We will also use Show Any Node for negative and see the results. Here you can see, it also combines both our negative prompt and the text from styles. Let's add this to our workflow. Go back to our original tab. Search for Style Selector. We will delete both positive and negative clip text node for now. As you can see, when I try to connect the clip wire to Style Selector, it does not work. Or when I try to connect Style Selector to KSampler, it also does not work. We have to connect Style Selector with positive and negative node we use in the example. In positive prompt, I will write a simple word like a cat, and in negative prompt, I will type watermark or something I do not want. I will select a random style like fighting game. We cannot connect it directly to KSampler, so we still need clip text node for positive prompt. Drag the wire from Style Selector and you will see a new connector appear in our text node. Connect it here. You can collapse it by double-clicking on the gray dot in the headline. Now we will link positive connector to our text node here. Let's do the same for negative prompt. Drag a wire from negative connector from Style Selector and select the clip text node. It's automatically connected with the Style Selector. We have to connect it with the KSampler. I will try to run it. It gave us an error message. It looks like I forget to link the clip model to the prompts. We just have to connect the wires from load checkpoint to both clip text nodes and run it again. Here we get a fighting gaming style cat we selected. Let's try a different style. We get a photograph of a cat here. Let's select art style watercolor. We can also select multiple style and run it. It might confuse it when more styles are selected. You can play around with this and see what styles are compatible with each other. If this tutorial helps you, please like and subscribe to show your support. I will cover more topics like LoRa, Flux, video generation, and much more in future. Please stay tuned for more tutorials. Before we end this video, let's see how you can save the workflow and where all the images are saved. You can download this workflow from our Discord channel. Click Workflow on the top left corner of the panel and click Save As. It will save it in ComfyUI. We have to export it to save it at our desired location. I will create a new folder, name Workflow, and save all my workflows here. Go to ComfyUI, open ComfyUI folder, and then Output folder. Here you can see all the images we generated so far. I will see you all in the next video.